Hello guys. Hello from Shumi. Hello. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Hello. We can see a lot of people joining us. Hope all of you are doing good. Hello. Hi guys. Hello. Hope all of you are fine and Christmas is round the corner. How excited are all of you here? We're super excited to do to our amazing DIY video which we've made with our ice cream stick. Are we audible enough to all of you guys? You could probably send us a thumbs up or you can wave at us so that we can get started with the video. So meanwhile, we'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Malvika, the in-house designer.
My name is Nishti Arora and I am visual designer at Shumi.
Okay. Yes, you see a lot of people joining us. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Alright, so we can see everyone joining. So I think we're good to start, right Nishi?
Yeah, I think we can start the session now.
So, okay guys, before we start the video, we will be switching off the comment section at the moment because we do not want to miss out on any questions. So we will be turning out our comment section towards the end of the video so you can ask us anything, and meanwhile we'll be showing you the video and we're going to show it from the top and you can see the entire process. We'll have you covered.
So we think you can see the workstation very clearly now. We will start the DIY session with the snowflake first. These are very easy to make and they also look very beautiful on the Christmas tree. So for this, you are going to need 4 popsicle sticks. We have popsicle sticks which were already colored, but if you don't find colored available near your place, what you can do is take plain popsicle sticks and paint over them. Now I have chosen color combination of 2 colors of my choice. If you want, you can do the same, or you can go very crazy with this and select 4 different colors of each popsicle stick. Another thing we're going to need for this DIY session is some glue. And at last we're going to need some things to decorate our snowflake with. We have thermocol balls here, we have pom-poms, and we also have some decoration beads to make the snowflake look more sparkly. You can go very crazy with this and get some anything small and colorful to decorate your snowflake with. You can get pom-poms, you can get glittered paper, you can get color paper, anything. So we will start making the snowflake now. So we will start by taking 2 of our popsicle sticks here. And what you have to do here is stick them at the center. Here. I hope you guys can see me now. We put some glue at the center. And we stick the other popsicle stick like this. So now you can see this will form a cross shape. We will have to repeat the same process with the other popsicle stick. At the end of this step, you are going to have 2 crosses ready with you. To make sure that this is secure, you'll have to hold this at the center for at least 2 seconds so that, the glue stays. Repeat the same thing here with the other cross. And now you'll have to leave these 2 crosses for at least 2 minutes to dry off. We already have 2 crosses dried and ready with us, so that's what we're going to use to move ahead. As you can see, these are firm and ready to use. After drying, this is what it will look like. And now what we will do is Do the same step again but with the crosses. So you'll have to stick both the crosses on top of each other and at the center. When you do that, you need to make sure that none of the sticks overlap. Here. There you go. As you can see, this is already forming shape of a very small and cute snowflake. It's very exciting. So you'll have to press it a little so that the glue stays and it gets secured. And leave it again for 2 minutes to dry off. We already have a dried piece ready of this undecorated snowflake here. So this is what it will look like once it gets dried. Now we start with my favorite part of this entire process. We start with decorating the snowflake. This is the step where you can go crazy with the snowflake. You can use anything that you have available at home that is small and colorful to decorate your snowflake. For my snowflake, I will be using thermocol balls and some decoration beads to make it look more sparkly. So I will be sticking thermocol balls at the end of these sticks. While I would like to tell you guys that you can use pom-poms, glittered paper, color paper, even buttons if you like to decorate your snowflake. And maybe you can use like different decorations on different sticks. Make it look as playful as you can. Now I will stick a colorful bead on top of it. Here. We'll continue the same process on each stick. As you guys can see, this is already looking very colorful, very festive. Almost ready to go on the Christmas tree. So when you repeat the same process on all the sticks, I'll show you what it will look like at the end. This is what it will look like once you're done decorating the snowflake entirely. Now, to make sure that it hangs properly on the tree, we will have to make a loop. For that, you will need thread. Now we are using jute thread here. You can use anything. You can use cotton thread, wool, or even ribbon if you have that at home. So for this, you will have to cut the thread at your index. It should be the size of your index finger. So this long. Please be careful while you are using the scissors as they're sharp. If you are using it, please use it under the supervision of an adult. Keep the thread aside. Next thing you have to do is take the loop and tie it. Make a small knot here, as you can see. Put some Fevicol so that it sticks and stays. We have one loop ready with us, so we're going to be using that since it will take some time to dry off. Now we will stick that on one of the end sides of these sticks. Here. Please leave this for at least 10 minutes so that it can dry off and hold the entire unit very strongly. We have made some of the permutation and combination of these snowflakes ready for you so that you can see all the different things you can do to decorate these snowflakes. As you can see, in this one we've used pom-poms and thermocol ball. In this one we've used only thermocol balls and we have used Christmas beads here. To make it look more attractive, in some of them we also decided to draw on the sticks with pen. So if you want to go more into details, you can do that as well. So these are our DIY snowflake Christmas decoration and I really hope you like it. Now I will hand over the workstation to my colleague Malvika, who's going to tell you how to make another very beautiful Christmas decoration.
Hello guys. So today we'll be making a Christmas decor out of a popsicle stick, which can be done in a very easy and convenient way. So let's get started. So for my first step, I've taken popsicle sticks of two different colors. Here I've chosen orange and purple, and these will act as my Christmas tree, and these will be the leaves. So I will tell you again, the orange popsicle sticks would be my leaf, and the stem, the purple popsicle stick, will be the tree. Here I have 6 popsicle sticks in total. So let's get started. So I'll first take my orange sticks . I'll first keep them together in a similar way and make sure that all the 5 popsicle sticks are arranged in a similar manner, and I will be using my scale and pencil to draw over this so that I can get leaves of different size. I will be drawing them. And once that's done, you can see the leaves of different sizes starting from smaller to the bigger size. There are 5 different sizes, and you can see the border lines, and with that I will use the scissors to cut them. And before using scissors, please make sure that you use it in a safe manner or under parental supervision so that you don't hurt yourself. I will be cutting the edge, and once that's cut, I would be getting the leaves of different sizes. Here you can see the Christmas leaves starting from a smaller to the larger size, and on top of these Christmas sticks I've used a sequence to decorate them. So you can use any decoration which is readily there at home. You can use the thermocol balls, you can use pom-poms, you can use buttons, stickers, or even you can cut few chart papers and make decorations of your own. It's all up to you, but here I've used Christmas beads to give out a very festive and for the joyous event. And here I've used the sequence according to number wise. The smallest will have 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here this will be the purple popsicle stick, which you can see here is my Christmas tree, and these are the leaves. And now I will be arranging them according to the sizes. So using my Fevicol stick, I will be pasting them. So when it's stuck, you can see a stepwise pattern from the smaller to the bigger size, and this is how your final decor would look. And not to forget, we will be attaching a small loop towards the end as mentioned earlier by Nishi. You could use any sort of thread. You could probably use jute thread or any thicker thread which you can make a knot and stick it at the back of this decor. And make sure you allow it to dry for another 10 to 12 minutes so that you can get your final decor piece. And this is how my final decor would look. back, this is how they would look. And few of the other alternatives and variants which I had made with the popsicle sticks Christmas tree would be this. You can always play around with popsicle sticks by making a very simple triangle, and you can just decorate the spaces by using thermocol balls and stick a very cute star to give out the Christmas vibe. And here I've used a ribbon, a very thin ribbon, and I've used few pom-pom balls and I've cut that to give out a snowy effect, and that will sum up the entire Christmas feel. So that's all about the DIY Christmas decor. We will lay out the decors that we've made so that all of you can get a better view and understanding. I hope it's all clear for all of you guys. I hope you're able to see the craft. Okay. So now we will be switching on the comment section so that if you have any questions and queries regarding the craft, you could generally ask us. So whatever questions you would wish to impose, you could obviously ask us, and meanwhile we will be decorating a cute little Christmas tree behind with our amazing decors that we've made. As you can see, these decorations are very easy to make, and they also look very beautiful on a Christmas tree. So please try this at home, and when you do, don't forget to tag us at Shumi Toys or use hashtag #PlayWithShumi. You can see the beautiful decorations on our Christmas tree. So do any of you have any questions to ask us regarding the craft? You could go ahead. Thank you. If you're trying out these decors, please don't forget to mention or tag us. We'd love to see your creations and creativity with these beautiful sticks. You can always find colored ones in the shop, or you could obviously buy the normal popsicle sticks and you can also paint them to bring out your innovative and creative side. And as Nishi had mentioned earlier, you can use a lot of thermocol or probably sequins, and you can decorate it accordingly to your wish. Hello Supriya, hope you're doing good. Merry Christmas. We'd love to listen to your Christmas preparations as well. You can tell us. Do you please let Guys, we'll be going offline in a few moments. So if you have anything you would want to ask us, please let us know. You can feel free to ask us anything regarding the video. And we hope you enjoyed it again. Our IGTV will be there on our profile, so you can feel free to check them out anytime and you can try this out, and please let us know and just tag us at #ShowMeToys and we'll be able to see your creativity around.
Merry Christmas.
So I think we will go offline right now because we have okay, thank you so much for tuning into our live, guys, and we'd love to see your creativity around, and stay tuned with more such updates from Show Me. Thank you, bye.